In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link WordPress. Menu items to Elementor sections. Easy guide. First, sign into your WordPress dashboard so we can work inside the correct site. Make sure Elementor is installed and active on the site you're editing. Once you're in the dashboard, head to Pages. This is where all your site's pages live and where you'll choose the page that contains the section you want your menu to jump to. Open the page you need and click Edit with Elementor. That launches the visual builder so you can work directly on the layout. When the editor loads, hover over the section or container you want your menu item to target. Click its edit icon to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see its blue outline on the canvas and its settings appear in the left panel. In the left panel, switch to the Advanced tab. This is where you control spacing, responsiveness, and most importantly, for this tutorial, the anchor details your menu can use depending on your Elementor version. You might also see a custom CSS area. What you're looking for here is the CSS ID field within Advanced. That's the unique identifier your menu link will use to scroll to this exact spot. Enter a short, memorable CSS ID for the section. Keep it lowercase, use hyphens instead of spaces, and avoid special characters. For example, about us or contact form. Don't include the hash symbol here, just the plain ID text. It's also important that each ID on a page is unique, so don't reuse the same one in multiple places. When you've set the ID, save your changes by clicking Publish if this is a new page, or Update if it was already live. Now that the section has a clear anchor, you're ready to point a menu item to it. In your navigation, use a custom link whose URL is simply #your-ID for links that target a section on the same page. If the menu item needs to jump to a section on another page, use the full page URL followed by #your-ID. For example, your site, com/services, #pricing table. After saving your menu, visit the site and test the link to make sure it scrolls smoothly to the correct section. If the scroll seems slightly off because of a sticky header, consider adjusting anchor offset options in your theme or Elementor settings. And if the link doesn't work, double check for typos, confirm the ID matches exactly, and ensure you updated the page in Elementor. That's it. Your menu now cleanly links to precise sections, improving navigation and user experience without extra plugins.